What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Baby Peach from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page. We're going to draw the top edge of the eyes. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw a half oval. So we're going to go up towards the top of the eye, round this out, and then come down towards the outside. Let's do the same thing on the right. So just going to line this up, going up towards the same height, come around, and then down. Let's close off the bottom of the eyes with a curve. Just coming across. And then from here, we want to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, starting along the inside edge of the eye, we're going to draw an oval. Going up. You just want to tuck that in towards the bottom. Just line that up on the right side. Let's draw a smaller oval in the center for the pupils. And then we want to fill the pupils in black. Let's add 3 lashes on either side. Starting from the top, then it's out and up. Step down, draw 2 more on either side. Now I'm going to go back to the center. Let's draw a small curve right in between the eyes, the bottom edge of the nose. Step up and draw a shorter curve going opposite direction. Now along the bottom edge of the nose, we're going to draw a large circle for the pacifier. Going all the way around towards the bottom and then back up. Now let's trace that circle along the inside. Now with the face complete, let's move up and draw in the hair. We're going to start right in the middle of the forehead. Start with a point. We want to bend this out towards the left and then bend that up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going out and then up. We're going to step down on the left side, curve the hair, coming down and then all the way out towards the side. And then you want to line that up on the right, doing the same thing. Now in between the hair and the eyes, we're going to draw a small curve for the eyebrows. Now with the hair in place, let's draw the bottom edge of the head. So we're going to start on the left side, curve down around the eye. Now I'm just going to bend that in towards the side of the pacifier. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming down, rounding out the cheek, and then pulling that in towards the same height. Let's add some hair along the side. So we're going to step over, bend this down, and then in. We also want to see the edge of the ears. So we're going to start back at the top for the ear, going around and then in. Now I'm going to go all the way back up to the top. Let's draw the outside of the hair. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Now we're going to draw a wave going over towards the left. We're going to start by going up, round out the hair, come down, and we're just going to curl that out. Let's go back to the center. We're just going to mirror that over on the right, going up towards the same height, coming down and then out. Let's tuck this with a curve, coming down and in toward the side of the ears. Let's add another point of hair along the back, starting up here, then it's down and out. Curve this down and then in towards the side. Now I want to go all the way back up to the top and add the crown. We'll start right at the very top of our page, start with a point, angle this down and out toward the left, and right side, angle this up and out, and then we'll angle this down and then in on top of the head. Let's add a circle in the center of the crown, and then add a thin trim along the outside, just tracing that circle. Let's add 2 gems along the side, starting at the top left, just going to bend this out and then in. Now one more detail we're going to add is a trim going in behind that center gem. So starting on the left, then it's up and in, continue out and down towards the right. Now from here we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start on the left side of the pacifier, bend this out and down towards the hip, then it's out and down towards the right. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down and then up. Now I'm going to add a gem in the center of the body. Starting from the center, going all the way around, we're going to draw an oval. Going back up toward the top, and then we're going to trace that along the inside. Let's add the skirt. From the hips, angle this down and out, then it's down and then in on the left and right side, and we'll close off the center with one more curve, coming down and then up. In the center, let's split the legs with a straight line coming down towards the heels. Then we're going to curve the bottom of the feet. Starting with the left side, we want to bend this down and up toward the left, and then the right. Now on the left side, we're going to curve the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll just curl that up toward the inside of the leg. Let's line up with the side of the hips. Underneath the skirt, draw a straight line coming down on top of the feet. And then we want to draw the edge of the pants. So on the left side, we draw 3 curves coming across. 1, 2, and then 3 towards the center line. Do the same thing on the right. We also want to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So we're going to take this curve, step up, trace that across on both sides. And then along the top of the foot, we're going to add a half oval. Now that we complete the body, let's move up and draw in the arms, starting with those puffy shoulders. We're going to start underneath the cheek on the left, draw a circle, going around, and just tuck that in towards the side of the body. Let's extend the arms coming down, starting from the side, angle this down and out towards the wrist. Now I want to point the thumbs coming down. So we're going to come down, round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. Let's extend 3 fingers along the outside, starting out here, bend this out, round out the finger, and then bend that back in. Now I want to stack 2 more fingers along the top, starting from the tip, bend this around and then in towards the wrist. Do that one more time. And then you want to draw that same angle line going up in behind the shoulders. Let's do the same thing on the right. Add the second finger, and then the third, then angle that up and in. Let's finish off by adding the hair coming out from the side. Starting underneath the earlobe, bend this down and then out on both sides. Bend this down and then in, step back, tuck this in behind the shoulders. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's her Draw Baby Peach from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.